Did you just pick up a new 2026 Ram 3500 and that factory air ride rides like a wagon? Well, let's get you off the Oregon Trail and level it up. Just like this one here, let's get it in the shop and get to work. Of course, as you all know, if you've got one of these trucks, finding a suspension system that works is hard. But with Carli Suspension, it's not. Like on this truck. We installed the Carli 2.5-inch Pintop Leveling System with all the options. We've got the high and low mount steering stabilizer, their full torsion sway bar, fabricated radius arms. Out back, we've obviously got their upgraded leaf spring pack and all the associated hardware to keep that air system running nice. We've got their fabricated shackle, and that suspension allowed us to fit a set of 37-inch Toyo AT3s wrapped around a set of 17-inch Innov8 G600 wheels. There's a couple other little cherries on this build. Out back, you might have noticed the Banks diff cover to increase that fluid capacity and keep everything nice and cool back there. You're also going to notice an AFE exhaust to keep things running a little bit more efficient. Last but not least, the SDHQ built touch. A couple of pieces on this truck are going to be those all black custom colored Kings, as well as our SDHQ built reservoir mounts up front to keep that wheel well looking nice, and our intercooler skid plate to help protect your intercooler if you decide to use this thing off-road. To help keep this thing going even when the lights go out, we've got a Baja Designs 20-inch light bar behind the lower bumper and some S2s mounted flush in the rear bumper. If you guys need to level up your Ram, make sure to reach out to us at help@sdhqoffroad.com. Like always, appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.